Reins Berkley shaker, weightless Texas rig. Hello, this is Angler Waki. I am a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. I upload fishing videos every week introducing Japanese fishing trends and techniques. I hope you like my channel. These days, I have had a tough time catching fish. I even get skunked without any bites at all. Late fall to winter is tough. Although we still have a good day, but it really can't be predictable. I mean, the condition is very unstable. On that day, the fish was not that active, so I was in the mood to try the ultimate bass magnet, Yamamoto Senko 3 inches. But how many viewers want to watch Senko video? Then I decided to try something which could be Senko's alternative. This is it. Reins bubbling shakers 3 inches. An ultralight spin tackle with a weightless Texas rig. Let's fish slowly. Let me show you my setup. I'm using an offset hook, Ryugi Infini Hobbit number 3, a light wire hook designed for finesse fishing. A Waki hook with a nose hook setup can also work fine, but I personally prefer an offset hook for a straight worm. The hook acts like a spine in the body, helping it maintain a stable form in the water. Yes! Reins bubbling shaker, weightless Texas rig. Yes! Thank you. Yes. That day, I left my GoPro at home. So I used my iPhone to shoot the video instead. Yes! How to fish with this technique? Just like a Senko, cast and stay. Then either lift and let it fall, or slowly drag it along the bottom. Be patient. Patience is the key to this technique. I tried for a couple of hours, no big bass, but I managed to catch a few. Not bad. I always struggle to fish around this season, so I'm just happy I didn't get skunked. Reins Baleen Shaker is a Japanese lure by Reins, but it's not very popular in Japan. I've never seen it at local tackle shops there. Instead, I bought this one in the United States. I'm not sure why, but this lure works really well for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Even though there are plenty of other options in the straight worm category, I really like this. This seems like an underrated lure that might be overlooked by many anglers. Thank you for watching! If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up! Share this video with your friends and communities. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye.